My people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. Oga water connector, ma good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yeah. Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
So, Mimi want to talk to you. So, my name now Sabonye. What about your name?
My name now Obina, Mr. Obina, Water Connector Man.
Okay, so what I can monitor water connector. When one of our do talk show view, I'll give you now common monitor for today. So you go to take me around the work. Me, I didn't know how far the work don't go, whether I don't
Okay.
through or you see the on it. So before you dey show me our viewer, before you give our client work, you have to call our number dey on top of this video. So Oga Water Connector man, you show me where you for start. So
Okay.
Oga,
Um, we start. We go for the security house for the house. So now
okay,
one of my clients. This is the security house here. Mm? So we don't do this work. The work has been done here. Mm?
okay.
So look at where you put with the pipe.
My
Yes,
viewers,
sir.
man,
Yes, sir.
balance myself show
So
up on our way.
take a look at the pipe here. Fantastic job you done here.
Okay,
All right. So
okay, I come here near you.
okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Okay.
So the way you put the pipe, and the elbow. No say this one can't get gable. Hmm?
Uh,
It should come out now. So this one an upstairs walk
okay,
so on the elbow side. So that
okay,
they collect them with the pipe.
okay,
Carry that side.
okay.
Go carry and come down. You see the receiving there. And if you see this one now,
Okay.
this one
Mm.
chop like 5 elbow here.
Okay.
Two for up,
Oh,
2 here,
okay.
the one down here.
Mm.
Because now
Okay.
upstairs.
Okay.
But if na house we see not get this gable we come out like this,
Uh,
na straight house. You no
okay.
go chop this elbow like this.
Okay.
You go carry, we call it the call pipe socket. We just connect the pipe for up.
Okay.
You go carry 2 elbow for up,
Okay.
the 1 elbow for down.
Okay.
Understand? This one now cause na cable,
Uh,
go carry 5 elbow.
okay.
So I notice now the clip now we put for here now 4 clip,
Okay.
2 for up, 1 for down.
Okay. May I show them?
Okay.
Two for up and
Yes. 2 for down, which is
two
4.
for down. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now the
So
security at night
the
be this.
security I said
Okay.
the other part did the other side for the side of the house. So now
Okay.
exactly what you will put for here,
Okay.
I will do for there. So we
Okay.
have done this. The security the work has been done successfully.
Okay.
So let's go to the main house. Okay, this is the front of the house now.
Okay.
See,
Mm.
down there.
Well, may I show our viewers well?
Okay,
Okay.
all right, sir. So walk here. This is the front of the house.
Okay.
You are channel the pipe
Oh.
down. You see, take under 5 elbow.
Okay.
So like this.
Oh.
So because of this thing where they become tabata, this is called tabata.
Okay.
Got channel on this side.
Okay.
See how perfect and how neat it is. Yes,
Okay.
so yeah. So
Okay.
the elbow here,
Mm.
this tabata because of this place, you have
Mm.
to shift it. This is 2 tabata here. You
Okay.
just connect them there. So because they connect and on this side.
Okay.
Then the elbow here, elbow that side, and the elbow up there.
Up there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Which is 5.
Okay.
5 elbow, 2 tabata was done here.
Okay.
And the clip here, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Accurately.
Okay.
So same. So we do. Where is the front of the house? So the same thing that we done here. The same thing we did it here.
Let me show.
Yes.
Now.
Was,
The same thing
was
when you did there, now you did this
yeah,
side.
I did this side. So
Okay.
exactly how it was done.
Okay.
So there's this one. There's no even data in this one. It's just a straight walk, because no demarcation or disturbance here.
Okay.
So this is how it was done here.
Okay.
So we're going to the other side of the house.
Mm.
This is a tall 4 upstairs, a very tall walk. You understand?
Okay.
So you'll be surprised now. You know, our client said that he does not want that artwork. So in a way, we not shape the pipe down so that you not touch the artwork.
Okay.
We don't put tiles for there.
Okay.
So if you guys even now like this now, you take it down there. You see now this is where you see put the artwork. It will not affect it. If you want that, I want to put the ties now. They can't put the ties. So it didn't affect it.
Okay.
See, are strong.
Okay.
You see, very very strong. So they can put the ties there. This work, no disturbance. You can't disturb the ties. I want to do the ties.
Okay.
So I'm going to the other side.
Nice. Now give us space. Make the people.
Thank you.
Ties for the center.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So okay. So you know this house now we have to do the scaffold adjustment a bit because of the level of the ground here.
Okay.
So we have to do small scaffold adjustment up there.
Okay.
So this is where the the other pipe here. This is the quarter be round here. So you see. This
Let me show them
done.
the gutter from up down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the down.
Yeah, this is the down. Yes, yeah.
Where water for the will come out.
Yeah, because you just have this elbow now. I'm going to bring it like this. Eh?
Okay.
Because if that is elbow, because they call like they want to chop the ground, yeah.
Okay.
As like they want to put like this
Okay.
flow. So you know going to disturb the ground. That's why the important of this elbow.
Okay.
So let's show the other one. The other one, this is this place now we did 10 piping. 2 at the front, 3 here,
okay,
3 at the other side,
okay,
then 2 at the back.
Okay.
Okay. So this is third piping in the side of the house.
Okay.
See, it's work done. Like I said, no disturbance. They can put the ties there.
Okay.
No disturbance. 1 clip, 1, 2, 3, the last one there, 4.
Okay.
And the elbow is 5 elbow because of this cable that was outside there.
Okay.
Because if it's a straight house, that will not bring the issue of pipe socket.
Okay.
So that's the thing. So the back of the house. Okay. So we'll stay on the back of the house.
Okay. Yeah.
Where's the back of the house? That's
okay.
Same pipe inside of the house. You see? Okay. See, down the house there. So, but we are almost through with the work.
Okay.
With the work through the work here. So this is the last part here.
Okay. Now the last part
with my team.
Okay.
I almost read the last part there.
Okay.
So we're through with the last part now. Then we'll call it a day.
Okay.
Yes. So okay.
Let's they go from you may our viewers.
Okay.
See.
All right. So. See, work in progress. We're about to do the last one there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. This one might be the last.
Yes. Yeah, last work.
Okay.
So last work that I was doing there right now. My squad there. So this one we did here before. My client said that they want it to be separate from the plumbing. So you don't want it to be near there. So we have to adjust it to this level here.
Okay.
That's where to put it. So after you are done, we will now shift this thing to this place.
Okay. This is very black.
It's very black. Yes, he said no one near the plumbing. May just stay on his own.
Okay, that is the owner of the house.
Yes.
You know what made they near this plumbing?
Yes.
Carry and go.
Yeah.
This side.
This side. Yes, now.
Okay.
So after you have done that, we are going to shift this one to this place.
Okay.
After everything.
Okay, this very one to this side.
This side. Yeah.
Okay, so as it be now to lose up from up.
Yes, it was now screwy.
Okay.
Understand? Because no second for they use under the gun, they go man. You just under the gun, you don't spoil them. That's the importance of that screwy. You understand? Without that, as we don't know, you will just unscrew them without any spoil or anything. Just as perfect. You remove and replace and just put them from one place. Very neat.
Okay.
So
I see one. That's
This is we have done all these ones.
Let me show our viewers with the self.
Okay. So got this one. This one.
Okay.
I'll be done. Come down, send the one. Put it that side.
So Oga water connector man, you go near me. So people on the Oga water connector man and they talk to, they don't take me around the work we do for this house almost done. So we make few things when they do for the loud side now. So Oga water connector man, like how much this water connector enter this very house?
The amount we enter here, I not like you, because for this one,
Okay.
But this one, I don't like you, eh?
Mm.
Everything was 495,000. Why
Okay.
we say now upstairs?
Mm.
Upstairs, even the security house now upstairs still carry. Because I say
Okay.
it just circulates well.
Okay.
So the work was there was 495,000.
Okay.
Both the labor, both the transport,
Okay.
both the materials
Okay.
was 495,000 normally. And so like now my viewers now if now normal two flats, eh?
Mm.
Yeah, I feel run there for like 300, 320.
Okay.
Normal down house two flats.
Okay.
And why upstairs around that region of 430 to 450. Sometimes
Okay.
400 depends on the size of the house.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you quick call your number when our view still reach you.
Okay. My number
Mm.
is 070
Uh-huh.
69
Okay.
78
Okay.
65
Okay.
09.
Come again.
070
Uh-huh.
69
Okay.
78
Okay.
65
Okay.
09.
That number they will still reach you.
Yeah, yes, my
Uh,
dad's number 080
uh-huh.
33
Okay.
88
Okay.
46
Okay.
11.
So my people, I grace our time until they watch this video.